Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are watching me today. In today's video, I want to show you a quick breakfast muffin. They are very healthy and it tastes really good. They are gluten free and free from dairy, and also it doesn't have any added sugar to it. The best thing about this muffin is that you can meal prep it ahead of time and grab, then you go. They are also best for snacks as well. Before I get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss any of my videos. This breakfast muffin is called oat banana muffins. This muffin contains about 7 to 8 ingredients. 2 cups of dry oats, 2 large bananas, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a little bit of salt. The salt can be an optional. This oat banana muffin contains a lot of fiber because of the oatmeal, and is sweetened with the banana that we added. Banana is a great source of magnesium and potassium, so they are good for us. They are really easy to make. In my blender, I will start by adding everything. 2 large bananas, 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a little bit of salt. The salt can be an optional if you don't want to add it. Then lastly, I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'll go ahead and blend them together for about 2 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'll use some coconut oil to least grease my muffin tray. This is all the stuff blended together. I'm going to scoop them and put them in the muffin tray. This amount will get us about 12 muffins if you use this recipe. Then I'll fully add them to the oven, preheated to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also about 200 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes. I end up baking them for about 20 minutes. Then I remove them from the tray and let it sit for a while to cool down. I will pack them and store them in a container, and I'll put them in the fridge to keep it fresh. It will last me for about 5 to 7 days. I normally eat them for breakfast and also for snacks as well. This morning I'm going to eat just 2 muffins. I will slide them into 2 and spread almond butter on top. You can also add a mixed berries or slide of bananas as well. They taste really good. These muffins are very easy to make. If you are an easy person like me, it can be a breakfast sauce for you. It just grab and go if you meal prep them ahead of time. Please go ahead and try these muffins and leave a picture in the comment below or share with me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.